Welcome to another video. In this video, you'll find out how you can forecast your retirement with AI and index funds. If you use or invest in index funds, or you want to start doing so, and you want to forecast how your retirement would look, by using AI, this is how you can do it. You'll need to first find out which AI software you want to use. You can use any of them like DeepSeek or any other softwares. I'm going to use ChatGPT. Go onto your Google browser, or it can be any browser that you're using, and search for ChatGPT. You'll need to log in or sign up. It's free, so go ahead and do it. You can also stay logged out if you want, but that way your data won't be saved. Once you're on the main page here, you'll need to add up a prompt. All you need to do is just ask ChatGPT to forecast your retirement. For example, I'm gonna write I'm an investor in index funds. Make me a retirement forecast plan, keep it detailed. You can also add up your age, your index funds portfolio, and other details like field and etc. As you can see, it has created me a detailed look on how I can forecast my retirement with every single aspect. You can change the prompt according to your details. For example, if you want to start investing in index fund, you can just write I want to start investing in index funds and forecast my retirement. You can ask ChatGPT about anything like this and it will forecast a whole plan for your retirement. If you don't understand anything from it, you can just ask it back. If you want any more details from it, you can just ask it right away by just prompting it. By using ChatGPT this way, you can easily forecast your retirement if you're an investor in index fund. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful and want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe and like this video.